Welcome back to the amazing picks. If you're diving into 3D printing for beginners in 2025 or looking for an upgrade, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll cover the 5 best 3D printers of 2025, highlighting key features, detailed specs, and everything you need to know before buying. Whether you're looking for the best 3D printer for home use, the most reliable 3D printer for professionals, or the best 3D printer for miniatures and models, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the best deals. Now, let's get started. 1. Creality Ender 7 Pro, a speed and precision marvel. The Creality Ender 7 Pro stands out as one of the best high-speed 3D printers of 2025. This model is ideal for those seeking the best 3D printer for large prints and high precision. Featuring a Core XY motion system, it delivers excellent stability even at speeds up to 250 mm/s. If you need the best 3D printer for rapid prototyping or fast 3D printing for mechanical parts, this is a perfect choice. The dual-gear extruder 3D printer handles a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments. For anyone exploring the best 3D printer for carbon fiber filaments or other tough materials, the Ender 7 Pro excels. The 300x300 by 400 mm build volume provides ample space, making it ideal for users looking for the best large-format 3D printer. Additional features include a 110 degrees Celsius heated bed 3D printer for strong adhesion, even with challenging filaments. This makes it suitable as the best 3D printer for ABS or best 3D printer for nylon filament. The printer also comes with an intuitive touchscreen interface, making it user-friendly for those looking for the best 3D printer with touchscreen controls. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi-enabled 3D printing and remote monitoring for 3D printers, making it perfect for professional setups. If you're searching for the best 3D printer for engineers or the best 3D printer for hobbyists, the Ender 7 Pro offers reliability and advanced performance. 2. Anycubic Photon M5, the resin printing revolution. If you're after the best resin 3D printer for miniatures, the Anycubic Photon M5 is a standout choice for 2025. This printer features an incredible 12K monochrome LCD screen, offering unmatched detail and precision. It's the best 3D printer for jewelry making, figurines, and other intricate models. The 218x123 by 250 mm build plate makes it one of the best large resin 3D printers available. The advanced UV Light Matrix 3D printer ensures even curing, minimizing issues like layer distortion. If you're in need of a high-resolution resin 3D printer or the best 3D printer for tabletop gaming models, the Photon M5 is perfect. Additional standout features include the resin vat with anti-waste design, ideal for those looking for the best 3D printer for efficient resin usage. The improved touchscreen interface and Wi-Fi-enabled resin 3D printer functions allow you to slice models and send them directly to the printer with ease. Safety and comfort are also covered with an enhanced air filtration system for resin printers, keeping your workspace odor-free. Whether you're searching for the best 3D printer for detailed prints or the best 3D printer for professional miniatures, the Photon M5 offers the precision and reliability you need. 3. Prusa MK5, the ultimate all-rounder. The Prusa MK5 continues to uphold its reputation as the best all-around 3D printer for professionals and hobbyists. Known for reliability and ease of use, this printer features an all-metal direct drive extruder, making it one of the best 3D printers for flexible filaments and advanced materials like nylon and polycarbonate. Its 260x260 by 300 mm build area is perfect for those seeking the best medium-format 3D printer for home or professional use. The next-gen auto-bed leveling system with 16-point mesh calibration ensures flawless first layers, making it the best 3D printer for consistent prints. For quiet operation, the MK5 comes with silent stepper drivers, making it ideal for those needing the quietest 3D printer for home use or best 3D printer for shared workspaces. The modular design allows for easy upgrades, positioning it as the best 3D printer for future proofing. Connectivity options include USB, South Dakota card, and Wi-Fi-enabled 3D printing, catering to users looking for the best 3D printer with remote access. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for the best DIY 3D printer kit or a professional in need of the most reliable 3D printer for small businesses, the Prusa MK5 ticks all the boxes. 4. Bambu Lab X 1 Carbon. Smart, fast, and versatile. The Bambu Lab X 1 Carbon is a game changer in the world of 3D printing. Known as the best smart 3D printer for professionals, this device is packed with cutting-edge features designed to simplify and enhance the printing process. With its AI-assisted multi-material printing system, the X1 Carbon excels in producing highly detailed, multicolored, or multi-material models. If you're searching for the best 3D printer with multicolor capabilities, this one should top your list. Equipped with a Core XY motion system and advanced vibration compensation, it delivers exceptional accuracy and stability at speeds of up to 500 mm/s, making it one of the fastest 3D printers of 2025. Its hot end capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius allows it to handle high-performance materials like PEEK and polycarbonate, making it the best 3D printer for engineering materials. Another standout feature is its integrated LiDAR sensor, which enables automatic bed leveling and ensures perfect first layers every time. With its enclosed build chamber and carbon filter for odor control, it's also the best 3D printer for indoor environments. Additionally, its user-friendly app and Wi-Fi connectivity make remote printing a breeze, solidifying its place as one of the most advanced 3D printers of 2025. 5. Ultimaker S7 Industrial-grade reliability. For those seeking the best industrial-grade 3D printer for businesses, the Ultimaker S7 is an unbeatable choice. Designed for professionals, this printer combines precision, reliability, and user-friendly operation, making it the best 3D printer for manufacturing and production. Its dual extrusion system enables multi-material printing, supporting PVA for dissolvable supports, as well as advanced materials like nylon, TPU, and carbon fiber composites. With a 330 x 240 by 300 mm build volume, the S7 offers ample space for complex projects, making it the best 3D printer for prototyping and production runs. The flexible build plate and advanced active bed leveling system ensure consistent results across multiple prints, which is crucial for industrial applications. The Ultimaker S7 also boasts full integration with the Ultimaker Cura software, providing seamless slicing and material profiles. Its air management system includes HEPA filters, making it one of the best 3D printers for clean and safe environments. With Ethernet and Wi-Fi-enabled 3D printing, it offers easy integration into professional workflows. Whether you need the best 3D printer for small businesses or a high-performance machine for large-scale production, the Ultimaker S7 delivers every time. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best 3D printers for 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or running a business, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to dive deeper, we've included links to all the printers and more details in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.